Hi everyone, I want to give you a quick tutorial of how to use ConferZoom within Canvas. So we talked about in our trainings using ConferZoom through ConferZoom.org. Now this would be using ConferZoom within Canvas because it is integrated into Canvas. Please note that you must have created an account on ConferZoom.org in order for your Canvas ConferZoom link to work. So the accounts are related, okay? They do connect, okay? So that's really important. So to create a ConferZoom meeting via Canvas, you're gonna log into Canvas, select the course where you want the meeting to occur. So I will select this course. Once I'm in the course, on the left menu bar, I have a ConferZoom link. If you don't have it, then you have to activate it. Go to Settings, Navigation, find ConferZoom, which will be down here. Click on the three buttons next to ConferZoom and click Enable. Then click Save. Once you do that, you will have ConferZoom on the menu bar on the left-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and click on ConferZoom. That's going to take me to the ConferZoom page within Canvas. Once again, you have to already have an account through ConferZoom.org, and your account has to be pro. If it's not a pro account, you will not be able to use ConferZoom within Canvas. How can you check if your account is pro? Once you click on ConferZoom in Canvas, click on Account Settings up here on the right-hand side. From there, click on Conferencing Accounts. Once you're here, you have to have a green check mark. If you have the green check mark, it means that your account is pro and you can use ConferZoom within Canvas. If you do not have this green check mark, then you have to wait for your account to turn pro, or maybe you haven't created an account on ConferZoom.org. That's when you can contact me, the distance education coordinator, and I can help you with that. Okay, so once your account is pro, you're in Canvas, you're in ConferZoom. We are ready to create a meeting. You need to be on Event Calendar here on the top. So I'm going to go back to the event calendar. Once I am there, I want to click on Schedule. Okay. Once I click on Schedule, I'm going to get this menu bar here on the left-hand side. I'm going to name my event. In this case, I'll just name it Meeting Week 8. You name it what you wish. The description is optional. Like if you want to tell students to have their book ready with a certain chapter open or a certain assignment available, that's where you can write some instructions for students or just a description of what you're going to cover. The next question is this a single meeting? Are you creating a daily meeting or a weekly meeting? So you can create a recurring meeting if that works for you. I'm going to leave it as single. Make sure you have the right time zone, and then I'm going to pick the date of my meeting. So in this case, I'm going to pick March the 26th to host my meeting, and then I'm going to pick a time to host it. It's going to be 3:45. And then how long is it? An hour and 30 minutes works for me. Okay, so once I do all of that, I'm going to click Save. Once I save it, I am going to see my meeting right here. I had created a previous meeting before this recording, so you can see the other meeting up there. Once you create the meeting, you'll see it on the calendar, and you're also going to have it here on the left-hand side with the button Prepare. And as you can see, I have 2 meetings, okay? You probably will just have 1. So this Prepare button will turn into a Join button or start meeting button. I don't quite remember. But once your meeting day and time gets closer, like for example, for this meeting, March 26th, maybe like at 1:15, this prepare will change to either join or start meeting. All you'll have to do is come back into Canvas, click on ConferZoom, and click on the button for the meeting. That's going to open up ConferZoom, and all of the features will be the same as we talked about in our training last week or the week before, depending on when you're watching this. For students, all they have to do is log into Canvas, go to the course, click ConferZoom, and they will have a button that says join when the meeting date and time arrives. Okay. So this works just like ConferZoom.org. What is the difference? Which one works better? Which one, is not so great? I don't have an answer for that. It really depends on you. So these are the differences. When you create the meeting on ConferZoom.org, you are sharing a link with your students. You're going to send that link to them. They can join the meeting from their computer, laptop, or smartphone just by clicking the link. When you create the ConferZoom session within Canvas, the student has to log on to Canvas, go to the course, and then click the ConferZoom button to join the meeting. So if I am holding a meeting for one class, then using ConferZoom within Canvas will work because I can only meet with this class. If I am opening my meeting up to 3 classes, for example, then I want to use ConferZoom.org and share the link, because anybody that I give that link to can join the meeting on ConferZoom.org. On Canvas, only the students enrolled in that class can join the meeting. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email.